Now that we have created many of the design elements for the house, it's time to create a plan set. In Chief Architect, layout sheets are used to scale and organize plans, elevations, CAD details, schedules, and other items for the construction documents. The drawings can be printed at any size. If you don't have a full-size printer, just use the built-in PDF print driver and send the drawings to a local print house. To get started with the plan set, we'll open a layout template that already has a title block set up. The layout view can be easily customized by placing name, company logo, and any other information. Any global changes that display on all pages are made to the master sheet on page 0. Let's return to the plan file and choose the views to be sent to layout. By using saved plan views, it's easy to create construction documents with the relevant layers and defaults. First, I will send the site plan to the layout at a 1 inch equals 12 feet. On the layout page, position the view and add text and details. Now, in the plan file, I will change my saved view to floor plan and send this view to layout sheet 5 at a 1/4 inch scale. And again, position the view and add text and renderings. Back in the plan file, I'll open the front elevation camera. In this vector style view, you can toggle the color on and off. When you send the view to the layout page, there is also an option to control the color. Once the elevations are on the layout sheet, you can continue to make changes to the model. The plan and layout files are linked, so if you move a window in the plan, it will also update in the layout as I refresh the view. In the model, I have a cross-section view I created, and I'll send that view to the layout sheet at a 1/4 inch scale. Notice the callout for the detail on the right wall. You can create these details using the CAD tools in the program or by importing a CAD detail from a DWG or DXF file, or browsing the built-in catalog library that has access to over 500 CAD details. Next, I will change my saved view in the plan file to kitchen and bath. Now I'll open the bathroom suite elevation and send this view to the layout at a 1/2 inch scale and finalize the layout sheet. To finish the plan set, I have completed the remaining pages by sending the views from the plan file to the layout file. The layout file is where I have scaled and organized the drawings. To get a closer view of this complete set of construction documents, or the kitchen and bath plans created in Chief Architect, please see our samples gallery on the website.